In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily decrease the size of your opened position on the platform Phemex. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on Phemex, make sure to go down to the video description and click on the first link. You will get to exactly this page right here, and you can get up to $4,800 of welcome bonuses. As you can see up here, I'm currently using the demo trading feature. I highly recommend you, after you've signed up, that you first try out the features on the platform by going up here to contract and then down here click on mock trading. Then you will get to this demo trading platform. If you sign up with the link down from the video description, you will also automatically get some demo funds right here that you can use to fully try out the platform without having to use your own money. So as you can see, we are currently in this $30,000 position right here. It's a long trade. And if you want to decrease that position size, all you need to do is just close parts of it. And you have multiple options for that. The first one, if you just go here to the right and click on close, market means you close it immediately. We can now type in how much of that we want to close. So I could say, for example, I want to close, let's say 9,600 to make it an even number. And then just click on close long, confirm, and you will see it's now down to $20,000 because we closed the remaining amount. You can also use the slide controller, of course. If you put it to 100% and then click on close long, you would close the entire position size. That's also possible. The second option is if you go down here, click on market, you can also choose here how much percent you want to close or type in the amount right here. So let's say I want to close another 50%, which means $10,000. Click on close long and you will see I've now decreased it to $10,000. So that's how you can very quickly and easily decrease your position size on Phemex. Don't forget to create an account by using the link down from the video description to get up to $4,800 of welcome bonuses. And if you have any other questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.